The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is here, and it's official. With its new design, upgraded features, and exciting additions, this flagship is set to redefine expectations. Pre-orders have begun, and Samsung has made it incredibly enticing to reserve yours. If you're curious about this groundbreaking device, hit subscribe, and let's dive into everything you need to know. Reserve and get rewarded. Samsung has opened its reservation page, allowing you to secure your Galaxy S25 Ultra with just your name and email. Reserving is free, and Samsung sweetens the deal with a $50 credit and entry into a $5,000 sweepstakes. No purchase commitment is required, so if you're even remotely interested, now's the time to act. Check the link in the description or bio to reserve yours today. A new level of protection. One of the standout improvements in the S25 Ultra is its second-generation Gorilla Glass armor. This glass features an advanced anti-reflective coating, building upon the already stellar performance of its predecessor. Whether it's durability or clarity, this new protection ensures a premium experience. Blazing performance with Snapdragon 8 Elite. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite, clocked at 4.47 GHz, surpassing the previous version's 4.32 GHz. On Geekbench, it scored an impressive 2,986 for single-core and 9,355 for multi-core performance. With further software optimization, these numbers will only improve. In terms of RAM, the S25 Ultra offers 12 GB for effortless multitasking. These upgrades make it the fastest and most powerful Galaxy device to date. New safety features. Samsung has quietly added a groundbreaking safety feature, car crash detection. Similar to Apple's implementation, this feature can alert authorities in the event of an accident. While it's not live yet, it's expected to roll out by the time the phone officially launches. Stunning design choices. Samsung has gone all out with the S25 Ultra's design. Available in bold finishes like titanium black, gray, with gold accents, silver, blue, and even exclusive limited edition colors for Samsung's direct buyers, this lineup is as stylish as it is functional. The design incorporates sleek lines, refined edges, and subtle curves, making it feel more premium than ever. Early renders and live photos showcase a device that not only performs well but looks stunning in any hand. Full specs breakdown. Galaxy S25 Standard. Display, 6.36-inch Dynamic AMOLED, 120Hz, HDR10+. Resolution, 1080 by 2340. Cameras. Front, 12MP. Rear, triple setup, wide, ultra-wide, telephoto. Chipset, Snapdragon 8 Elite USA. Exynos 2500 Global. Storage and RAM, 128 to 512 GB, 8 to 12 GB RAM. Battery, 4,100 mAh, 45W fast charging. Price, starting at $800. Galaxy S25 Plus. Display, 6.7-inch Dynamic AMOLED, 120Hz, HDR10+. Resolution, 1440 by 3120. Cameras. Front, 12MP. Rear, triple setup, wide, ultra-wide, telephoto. Chipset, Snapdragon 8 Elite USA. Exynos 2500 Global. Storage and RAM, 256 to 512 GB, 12 GB RAM. Battery, 4,900 mAh, 45W fast charging. Price, starting at $1,000. Galaxy S25 Ultra. Display, 6.9-inch Dynamic AMOLED, 120Hz, HDR10+. Resolution, 1440 by 3120. Cameras. Front, 12MP, rumored under display option. Rear, quad setup, wide, ultra-wide, telephoto, periscope. Chipset, Snapdragon 8 Elite Global. Storage and RAM, 12 GB, up to 1 TB. Battery, 5,000 mAh, 45W fast charging. Price, starting at $1,300. Launch timeline. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event is scheduled for January 22nd, 2025. Pre-orders will run until February 4th, and the devices will officially ship starting February 7th. With these dates locked in, it's just a matter of weeks until we see the Galaxy S25 series in action. What's new and exciting? Fresh design. The S25 Ultra introduces a refined look after years of design stagnation. Upgraded cameras. While the exact specs remain a mystery, Samsung's focus on cutting-edge photography features is undeniable. Advanced AI. The Galaxy AI features will push the boundaries of user experience, though details remain under wraps. Durability. With Gorilla Glass Armor 2 and water resistance, this phone is built to last. Why choose the S25 Ultra? The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra offers a perfect blend of performance, aesthetics, and innovation. From its improved protection and blazing speeds to its refined design and exciting new features, it's a flagship worth the hype. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or someone who simply loves premium devices, the S25 Ultra stands out as a must-have for 2025. Reserve yours today and get ready for the ultimate smartphone experience.